AUC's Tahrir building has always been a special place since it was built in the 1870s. It has a unique location in the heart of Cairo, overlooking the Tahrir Square. In the celebration of its centennial, the AUC Tahrir campus has been renovated by funds provided by Sawir's Foundation for Social Development.
It should be a cultural center for the younger generation where they can come play music, art, theater, movies, cinema, galleries, everything, and it should have a constant program, because when we were kids we used to come to Earth Hall for the cinema.
The Tahrir Cultural Center has been launched to enrich the cultural scene for the Egyptian community. It includes multiple exhibitions such as Bint al-Nil, Durya Shafiq, and When Dreams Call for Silence, among many others. The Hill House will continue to have academic lectures and classes. As for all the other buildings, they are part of the Tahrir Culture Center. Parts of the center are still under construction, including a large restaurant.
This is phase one of the project, which entails the 6 galleries that I'm sure you've seen and the landscape. There are still 2 more phases that are going to be underway soon. The first one entails the cafeteria, which is currently demolished downstairs. It's going to be brought back to life. So when we're designing a cultural center, we don't just design a cultural center. Inside the cultural center, we have to design cafeterias to work for the people you're getting for the events. You have to have a restaurant for your visitors. You have to have bathrooms that can withstand all the traffic you have.
Planned events with all the required details are already published on AUC's website for the public to engage in the activities and attend all the events. AUC has been an integral part of the Egyptian community for the past 100 years and will continue to spread culture in all forms for everyone. Layla Amara, AUCTV.